Chase him! Chase him! Chase him! Chase him! Run! You see that kid over there? That's his YouTube channel. Whoa, you see him? Whoa, guys! Whoa! Whoa! Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. 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 Come on, chase him! Chase him! What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, finally he got attached to him. Run! 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 Run!
Keep on running!
You're gonna be famous on YouTube! He's not chasing you no more. Bring it on, cowboy. Whoa, I hate these neighbors. Especially that dog right there.
Mommy, pizza?
He's not
And then?
my favorite.
Come on, something else.
Dun, dun, dun.
No.
Hi, guys.
Wait, here's my pen.
What pen?
My pen.
Oh.
It wants it.
Ooh.
Don't let him bite it.
It wants it.
Don't let him bite it.
Whoa, he's getting chased. He's getting chased.
Bite it.
Dun, 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 dun. Alright, guys. Let's see. He's getting. Just because of the flower, he's getting chased. Oh. He stopped. Wait, you never know. We have the king. No, queen. The queen. That's the queen.
Are you still recording?
Yes.
Hey guys, this is the video about dogs. Sorry about that. Hey guys, here's a video about dogs eating a fly, but without eating a fly. So enjoy.
Really? You did it right now? What are you doing?
Hey, look at this. This take Oh no, he's coming.
The mayor's coming.
Hey dogs. Hey guys, this is a video about a dog, but here's a cute dog. Is it cute? His name is Chapo. And look at him. He's a cute dog.
Put him on the table.
He's cute. Look at him. See? Look at him.
He's a little frightened.
Manny, what's else
He
in
has
your
never
favorite
been.
pizza? Something
He's
else,
never been
Manny.
in the YouTube channel before.
Ew, just biting his ass.
Manny, something else.
Ew.
Pizza and
Apple juice.
no
Hey,
food.
go, hurry. Let's go.
Food.
Hey guys, this is a video about my brother and sister right here, and me too, but I'm recording too.
Why are you trying to fight?
Manny,
Leave him alone,
pizza.
dude. Don't bite
Manny,
him, dude.
pizza and
No, dude.
Pepperoni.
no.
No, I'm not answering it. Just put random stuff I like.
I'm protecting this dog. He's trying to get bit.
Yeah, it is, because it freaking sucks here, man. Like, look at this. Like, right here, okay?
Hey. Chill.
Oh, here we go again.
Chill. Ow. You bit me.
Oh, my God. You better run. Ah.
Chill, doggy.
And this is my brother Danny right here with the dog named Trapple. Say hi, Danny, to the internet.
Hi.
And this is this dog.
Hey, chill.
What the fuck? And this is Moy's dog right here. Look at this good shit.
Okay. Chill.
Look at him right
Woo!
here. Ball's trying to protect the dog right here because he's just a pussy. Get out of here. He's trying to get the dumbass dog. Okay, get out. Please, thank you. This dog is so crazy. Watch out. Shoot. Hey, look at this right here. We're going to die up in here. Business. Just look at this. He's sad. Look at no. Hold him. Hold his face. Make sure his face is in the camera. Look, make sure he's sad, okay?
Ah!
You too, okay? You too.
Oh.
Say hi, and a dog too. Say
Oh
hi.
my God.
Holy shit, get the fuck out of the pussy! Look at them right there. Holy shit. Guys, this
Should I let
dog
him
is
go
just
now?
so
Should I
crazy.
let him go?
Yeah, you should let go of the dog because it's way more fun. Alright guys, and my brother right here, he's gonna make Chopper run, right Danny?
Hey guys,
Hey.
it's me, Monse. That's my brother making a video.
And look at this. And look at this dog right here. He's just a pussy. Look at him.
Chapo, go. Chapo.
Stop.
Okay.
No.
Hey, record him.
Who?
Record my dog. You see his face? Look it. Record his face. Record his face.
Chapo.
Oh! Run! No!
What?
Just look it. Record his face. Record his face.
I'll grab him.
Record his face.
I got a lot of room, huh?
Yes. Come on. Come on. You want to touch him, don't you? Touch him. Touch him.
Hmm?
No, the dog.
Oh, this one.
You can go now.
Yeah, I'm gonna carry him. Hold him, I'm gonna carry him.
Okay, record him. Ay.
Get
Let
away.
him go, Monte.
Let him go. Woo! Fucking big pussy.
Hey, no! He's on the loose! Hey! Okay, just leave him.
And this is the end. Look, hey, Danny, how about you say
Damn,
to all of
look
them?
at my dog's face. No!
Oh my gosh.
No!
And look at this dog.
It's a sound of the beast.
That's a sound, probably.
It's a sound of the police.
Danny, can you say, Danny, can you say that this is the end of the video and watch and subscribe? Okay, do it.
Okay.
Ready? And 3, 2, 1. Well, hurry and get down, okay? So you can like hey guys, if you join this video, please like and subscribe right here, and if you see more, I'll let you know in the comments. Bye bye.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Now.
Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Enjoy. Let us know if you liked the video in the comments below. Alright, guys. Peace.